Mihang'o ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri guku bururi-ini yerekeire gutharara kaimana kumana na migomo iria ikoretwo kuo ya arigitani a ikiro itiganite. Umuthi ari muthenya wa 106 kuma hindi iria arigitani a gikiro kia nurses maigire miro thi, mundu umwe ni akuite thibitari-ini ya Kabarnet thutha wake kwaga arigitani a kumuthaitira. Ningi kurerikana ati arwaru aingi ni mambiriirie guthamirio thibitari itiganite niguo magethe utungata kuo. Kumana na mugomo uyu, gavana wa Baringo Stanley Kiptis ni arutite mukana wa gutigithia wira manathi aria magomete angikorwo matigucoka wira.
Negotiations are ongoing. But the industrial court indicated that strike was illegal, as also as the employers or a county government. We also heed and take instructions as per the Labor Relation Code. That formed the basis of us asking the nurses to go back to work.
O maya magithiaga na mbere, mugomo wa ataramu a ithimi cia mwiri kana lab technicians ni maheanite mukana wa thikũ 7 wa kuiga miro thi, makimenereria gikiro kiria maraheirwo ni kamiti ya guthurima micara ya SRC. Arigitani aya ni maugite makoretwo makionekana ta aruti wira matari kiene na mateta mao matikoretwo magithaitirwo.
We've been presenting our petitions and proposals for adjustments on the scaling not once to the respective offices. Now it is our reservation that proper communication has not been reached, especially to us from the respective offices, namely the Ministry of Health, the Council of Governors and the SRC. This clearly confronts the provisions on public participation as enshrined in our Constitution. And therefore, we hold our position that if our plight is not addressed conclusively through dialogue, which we embraced before 25th September 2017.
Now clinical officers aria mugomo wa uingirire thiko ya kana maugite mathina mao maingi maumanite na kamiti ya SRC. Arigitani aya marenda Sara Serem eherio gitura-ini kiu makiuga niwe ukoretwo ari kihingisha kinene mirutire-ini yao ya wira.
Kwa leo hii tunasema tuko kwenye mgomo na tunaandamana kwa ajili ya ile kuratibiwa vibaya na SRC yenye imefanya job evaluation na wametufanyia wrong job grouping.
Mweneni wao arigitani a gikiro kia nurses ni moritie thirikari yunanire njung'wa nao niguo gwetha kihonia kia mugomo wao uria woingirire thiko ya 106.
We are ready with the spirit of give and take, and we are ready to listen and reach an understanding with our employers. If they come with that true spirit of coming into an agreement.
Kugena kuo kiama kia madagitari KMPDU nikineanite ngirimiti yao na kanju ya magavana kuri igoti ria guthaitira aruti wira. O ni kuga ati wiguano uyu ni ukwambiriria kurutithio wira. Riu mathina ma arwaru thibitari-ini cia muingi ni maroneka matiguthiraga matira kuona mugomo wa manathi ni wingirire muthenya wa 106 na oho lab technicians manirira thutha wa thikũ 7 mathina mao makorwo mataroretwo no maiguthie na mbere na kugoma. Handu-ini ha Kamene TV ni ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.